Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Abhinya, your personal stylist, image consultant, and a certified makeup artist. I know I was missing for a while and ये मेरे साथ 2 बार हो गया because there were a lot of things going on and I went on a vacation. It was my hometown, and if you really want to know in details, you should follow me on Instagram. I'm quite active there and वहाँ पे मैं हर time stories and वगैरह डालती हूँ. So my husband is from Jammu and I'm from Kerala. So vacation is planned in a way that we have to hit both the places. Recently I had to visit Bangalore for a month. So वहाँ पे मैं shoot नहीं कर पाई because my daughter's nasal surgery was planned. She developed adenoids. It's the nasal tissue which blocks the air track. तो अगर I was actually planning कि मैं उस चीज़ों के बारे में एक वीडियो बनाऊँ, फिर मुझे लगा कि पता नहीं that will be suitable to my audience. So yeah, if you want to know the whole story, how the surgery was, what happened and all that, you can drop your thoughts in the comment section and I will get back into the whole thing. So yeah, that was that. But in my previous video, the last video I made, you guys were super interested in knowing the perfumes I use, and perfumes are super special for me because I love smelling good. घर पे बाहर हर जगह a good fragrance matters a lot to me. मेरे घर में भी you will find a lot of room fresheners, agarbatti, dhoop, because I just cannot handle a bad odor. It is somewhere I'll say weird in a way that I cannot share my washroom also, or if somebody went to a washroom, I just cannot use it in a minute or so. Like I just cannot handle any bad odor. So मेरे bathroom में भी room fresheners होते हैं, and मेरे पूरे घर में भी there are a lot of room fresheners. It has to smell good like all the time. For me also, I have a certain set of perfumes which I use at home, perfume oils, those इत्र वो मैं घर पे use करती हूँ so that I smell nice. And जब मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, I have a set of perfumes for that. So my perfume journey started quite a way back, and I started collecting good perfumes. And जो भी ये पहली बार देख रहे हैं उन I just want to say, just don't copy paste somebody else's perfumes, because उनकी पसंद और आपके पसंद में ज़मीन आसमान का फर्क होगा, क्योंकि smell, fragrance is something super personal. I just cannot describe. ऐसा बोला जाता है कि आपको किसी के परफ्यूम कलेक्शन को देख के उनकी पर्सनालिटी तक पता चल जाती है what kind of a person he or she is. So more or less I'll just suggest that आप अपना खुद का एक प्रेफरेंस रखें, आपको क्या पसंद है. Get to know what you actually like. Try a lot of perfumes in the market and try to know what makes you feel happy. The fragrance should make you feel absolute delightful and happy. कि आप उसको smell करो तो आपको बहुत अच्छा लगे. So that is that from my end. We'll get into the perfume list now because I don't want. But I have so much to say. Sometimes I feel like कि मैंने इतने टाइम से वीडियो नहीं बनाया तो मेरे पास इतना chatter content है. मैं try करूँगी कि I'll make chatter video where I'm expressing my thoughts on the vacation and how traumatic the surgery was for my daughter. She's 4 and it gives me chills. Sometimes I just want to forget the whole episode. But that's the problem with human memory. जो चीज़ हम भूलना चाहते हैं वो हम भूल नहीं सकते, और जो चीज़ हम कभी ना भूलना चाहते हैं it fades away with time. So yes. Won't take much time. So abhi I have notes for the people who are advanced with their fragrance journey. They might know that all the fragrances, perfumes are divided into 3 things. उस fragrance के notes होते हैं, top notes, middle notes and base note. टॉप नोट वो होता है जो आप एकदम से जब आप परफ्यूम को स्प्रिंट करते हो तो वो जो फर्स्ट फ्रेग्रेंस आपको मिलती है वो टॉप नोट होता है. उसके बाद देयर इज अ मिडिल नोट जो धीरे धीरे आता है. बेस नोट जो पूरे टाइम रह जाता है. बेस नोट इट स्टेज ऑन योर बॉडी, और जब आप किसी को स्मेल करते हो तो यूजुअली वो बेस नोट एम्पावर्ड होता है. टॉप नोट और मिडिल नोट थोड़ा थोड़ा फेड अवे हो जाता है. This is a Versace Crystal Noir, and this is love for me. Like I never thought that I will gravitate towards this perfume, but जब मैंने इसको पहली बार स्मेल करा it just blew my mind. Like, it was an obsession for me that I have to have it, and it is just beyond my understanding ki why. Because this perfume more from the spicy warm family, like very very good for winters, and it takes you to another world. Just sniff. Oh, I just cannot tell you how amazing this smells. It's very addictive, and it's my husband's favorite perfume as well. He finds it very nice when it's on me. You know, it is very spicy in a way that जब आप इसको पहली बार smell करोगे, it has that इलायची का smell. It has a lot of top notes, include a lot of cardamom, pepper, ginger. It opens up with that, and then comes the gorgeous smell of coconut. The creaminess of coconut is there, and then there is orange blossom, gardenia, and there is honey. So it's a very beautiful emulsion of fragrances, and it's beyond my imagination. जो इसका base note होता है, जो आपको काफी ज्यादा smell आएगा जब आप ये आपकी body में settle हो जाएगा. So the base note includes sandalwood, lot of sandalwood, musk and amber. So ये एक बहुत ही मतलब क्लासिक फ्रेग्रेंस है. अगर आपको इस टाइप की स्मेल अच्छी लगती है तो यू कैन डेफिनेटली ट्राई, बट देयर इज अ डिस्क्लेमर. व्हेनेवर यू वांट टू ट्राई परफ्यूम, प्लीज गो टू द स्टोर, ट्राई इट, देन बाय इट. प्लीज डोंट जस्ट बिलीव इन एनी इन्फ्लुएंसर, क्योंकि क्या पता मैं इसकी इतनी तारीफ कर रही हूँ, आप इसको स्मेल करोगे तो यू मे नॉट लाइक इट, और ईदर गो फॉर अ टेस्टर then you buy it. So always be mindful, because they are expensive perfumes, and I don't want you to just spend it because ये मैंने कहा है. Try it your nose first and then buy. Dior J'adore. Oh my god, this is like, this is the most beautiful rose vanilla fragrance which anybody can smell. Agarbatti kind of a smell. No, it has vanilla. It is super floral and fruity. There's a lot of sweetness in this perfume. Those people who love sweetness in their perfume and fruitiness, they should go for this one. These are something which I gravitate towards. Like, I like that freshness in my perfume with little fruity and sweetness. It's a gorgeous perfume and I absolutely love it. And I generally try not to finish off the bottles because I love them so much, but yes, I do wear them often, and sometimes what I do, मैं इनके dupes ढूंढती हूँ, and I try to have dupes so that मैं इसको ज़्यादा time, जैसे अगर मैंने dupes डाल ली और बाहर I can wear something which is like a proper potent form. So that is that. This is Biwala Juicy Couture का. This is again a magic potion in the bottle. I love this one. This is like ये third number पे आता है, but to be very honest, ये सारे मेरे लिए बहुत favorite है, because they all have the similar notes, similar fragrances, and जो आपको बहुत पसंद होते हैं ना, वो आपको you cannot rank them 1, 2, 3. मतलब this is just fabulous. Iski packaging is also super feminine, super girly. I love how royal and rich and sophisticated it looks, and it is. मैंने कितना इसको पहन लिया, like you can see the bottle is going to be over and I have to get a new one, but this is absolutely stunning. So this is again a very sweet, fruity floral smell. Like, I'm mostly into sweet fruity smells. Floral जैसे अगर लिली हो गया मेरे को नहीं पसंद आता, jasmine I don't like it. So मेरे preferences are very very particular the way I like it. It's a gorgeous combination and it keeps you stay super fresh all day long. They are very long lasting, and by the end of this, I share with you a trick जहाँ पे you can keep your fragrance go forever. It lasts long. One is this. I hope you can see this one. This is Elisa, Girl of Now Forever, and this is a gorgeous almond cardamom kind of a fragrance. Again, अभी तक आपको समझ आ गया होगा. I love those fruity, fresh fragrances. Again, this is a great winter fragrance because it's quite strong and it's quite heavy on the nose. अगर आप इसको winter में डालोगे, it's like a hug. In winters, summer में it can get really overpowering because it's kind of a sweet almond fragrance. थोड़ा सा नाक में चढ़ सकता है जिसको आदत नहीं है, but it is a gorgeous fragrance. Next one is, see, this is like a very small packaging, very small packaging, because मुझे try करना था, because this is like a cult favorite. This is Lancome La Vie Belle, and ये मैंने इसके बारे में बहुत सुना कि it is like a must in your kitty, but to be very honest, I didn't like it. I find it very powdery, like होता है ना general powder fragrance, तो मुझे ये उतना नहीं अच्छा लगा. बहुत लोगों का cult favorite है, they love it to the core. Like if you ask any perfume lover, you will have this in their kitty, but मुझे ये नहीं अच्छा लगा, because मेरा preference is kind of different. It's too powdery and too mature fragrance for me. I am not good for this one. But अगर आपको थोड़े बहुत mature fragrances पसंद है, very similar to Chanel No. 5, this is something like that. उस category का आता है, little powdery to the nose. This is one of that fragrance. Zara के perfumes, I have two Zara perfumes जो कि मैंने एक टाइम पे मैंने बहुत अच्छा collection बनाया था Zara का, but I didn't like it much. तो mostly ये मेरे घर में as a room freshener ही use होता है. कभी कभार मैं जिम में लगा के चली जाती हूँ, but mostly the first one is Black. This is quite a this is a good perfume. It is nice, but ये मुझे थोड़ा सा नाक में irritate करता है. Like इसका जो initial top note and base note है, it's not that amazing, but ये settle होके it has a sandalwood fragrance, तो वो थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है. But many people love it, but somewhere down the line I'm not like the majority. मुझे इतना ये मजा नहीं आया, तो this is more like मैं रख लेती हूँ, but I don't use much. Then you have Blossom Blush by Zara. ये मैंने अपने घर पे इतना स्प्रे किया है as a room freshener कि इसका ढक्कन भी गुम हो गया. Like this is like Pond's का पाउडर का फ्रेग्रेंस वर्जन. अगर आपको Pond's का पिंक कलर का ड्रीम फ्लावर पसंद है, दिस इज एग्जैक्टली उसका कॉपी इन परफ्यूम बॉटल. सो जिसको Pond's अच्छा लगता है, दे कैन गो फॉर Zara Blossom Blush. ये पिंक कलर के पैकेजिंग में आता है. I personally don't like it. It's like a bathroom freshener for me, or a room freshener for me. So yeah, that's that. Recently, one perfume which got super duper viral in the internet is this one. This is Plum Body Loving in Vanilla Caramello. Again, I love vanillas, but I want a little fruity touch to it. So this is like a cult favorite in the internet. People love it. People are going gaga over it. But somewhere it's just too vanilla for me. I want little fruity notes to it. इसका जो smoky vanilla है, I prefer that one. Like वो मुझे ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है compared to this one. This is just too vanilla. मैं ऐसे चलते फिरते इसको लगा लेती हूँ, घर पे लगा लेती हूँ, जिम जाते हुए लगा लेती हूँ. But this is not the vanilla I love. I love vanilla which has little fruity or sweetness to it. This is just vanilla and I want more from it. More favorite is this one. I got a tester to find out how it smells because it was viral. This is Carolina Herrera Good Girl, and this is magical. This is very similar to Elisa Forever Now. Like they both have almond notes to it, fruity fresh notes to it. This is lovely. I'm going for a full bottle now because ये मेरा खत्म होने वाला, and I've used it like I take bath in it kind of a thing. So this is a yummy fragrance, gorgeous fragrance. अब इसका एक dupe है Zara का Deep Garden. So this one, the full bottle cost you around 10,000. Okay, तो अगर आप Zara का Deep Garden लोगे तो वो इसका काफी अच्छा dupe है. Plus जैसे you don't want to put on your designer fragrance all the day, you can have a dupe so that आप कहीं चलते फिरते जा रहे हो, you can use that. So I have used Deep Garden as well, so that is exact dupe of it. But Deep Garden is not that long lasting. This one lasts too long. So Carolina Herrera Good Girl, this is amazing. I love this one. The least one fragrance जो मैं gym के लिए बहुत use करती हूँ, and yes, now the thing people will ask कि gym में कौन लगा के जाता है. Well, I'm a person who would like to smell good even if I'm sweating out in the gym. I love to smell good. I just cannot handle a bad odor. And in gym also, if somebody is smelling super bad, मैं उनके आसपास भी नहीं भटकती हूँ. I try to go miles away from them. So that is Awesome का Cherish. It is a perfume spray. This is not a deodorant. This is a perfume spray. awesome. It's not awesome, it's awesome. And the variant is Blue Cherish, and this also has something very similar, rose, vanilla, sandalwood. This is a gorgeous, gorgeous fragrance, and I must say this is very close to my heart. Like मैं इसको कभी बार बाहर भी पहन के चले जाती हूँ parties में because it smells good. I'm about to close the deal, but yes, I have one more, and this is Juicy Couture का in gold variant, and this is like मैं कैसे इसको भूल गई. Oof, this is just caramel, vanilla, roses. This is just the best fragrance. So ye or ye, they are from the same family. They look alike. And Juicy Couture ke fragrance are very girly, very ladylike. We're not very mature. It's like very fruity, and it just stays around. And I'm just blown away with the perfume. बहुत कम use किया. I'm just preserving it for like I don't know, but yes, that's that. Now coming back to how you can make your perfumes last longer, so you have to start with layering. Layering का concept ऐसे होता है कि जब आप नहाते हो, always try to use a soap or a body wash or anything which you're using. It should have something similar in fragrance. Then you put on a nice body lotion which also has a fragrance similar, and then उसके ऊपर आप body mist spray कर सकते हो जिसका smell is again similar to what your perfumes are, and in the end you put on a perfume. So there are so many layered fragrances, and they all combine together and it lasts forever. So try this hack, and you should put your perfume in your comb also. अगर अपना comb है then उससे आप अपने hair brush करोगे तब भी वो आपके hair में भी वो smell आती है, and when you just ऐसे ऐसे अपने बाल हिलाओगे तो भी आप बहुत अच्छे smell करोगे. And you can put 2 to 3 sprays on your garment also. That also, क्योंकि sometimes आपकी skin की body chemistry change होती रहती है, तो उससे ज़्यादा आपके कपड़ों में आपके fragrances ज़्यादा लगते रहते हैं. मेरे ऐसे भी fragrances हैं जो wash के बाद भी मेरे कपड़ों में रहे हैं, and that is just amazing. So yes, that was it from my end. The gorgeous perfume which I had, and I totally love them. Very close to my heart. Planning to make few personal videos like skincare, hair care, and everyday makeup and stuff. Of course, styling videos will be there, but I want to connect more with you guys, and let's see how it goes. And if you want to be connected to me when I'm missing out in YouTube, you should definitely follow me on Instagram. There I'm super active, and recently I got 200k followers, and it is like a big milestone for me. So yes, I'll see you there in the social handles, and yes, bye and take care.